We started out working on Sudoku. This was almost 3 years before. We started with Facebook as the platform. We had a lot of good traction, but we were trying to monetize the whole Sudoku game with advertisements, and that was not working out. So recently, last 1+ year, what we've been trying to do is try to introduce in-app purchase and monetize Sudoku. And I think this problem is there for almost most of the other classical games that you will find, where there is no real thing to buy. So what we have done with Sudoku is we are trying to sell time and limit time, and we have introduced other interesting purchases, things that you can purchase. In-app purchase is working for Sudoku at this stage, and that's. So we started out working on Sudoku, and we used Facebook as a platform 3 years before. We had a lot of traction. We were using advertisements as our revenue model, and we had a lot of issues with trying to monetize a game with advertisement and trying to run a company with that revenue. So around a year back, we started working on in-app purchases. Now we have a fairly successful game that monetizes with in-app purchases. So now the shift is from taking the game that we have on Facebook and doing a good product out on mobile. So that's our focus right now. So we have 2 Sudoku games on Facebook. Both of these are the number 1 and number 2 games, Sudoku games on Facebook. And the other thing that we have cracked is we know how to monetize classical games like Sudoku with in-app purchases. So we have more than 2.5 million users playing our games. More than 20 million puzzles have been solved. More than 500 years worth of time has been spent on our games. So we have 2 Sudoku games on Facebook. These 2 are the number 1 and number 2 Sudoku game on Facebook. And we have also cracked the model of using in-app purchase as a revenue model for all the classical games. For example, in Sudoku, we sell time, and that sort of is working out so well that there are people who have paid more than $1,000 for buying these things.